Hi, friends and colleagues. I wanted to show you how to apply a late penalty when using late passes in MOM. There are two ways you can do it, and I'm going to show you both. So I'm just going to go into one of my classes. I'll go into my old summer class. So let's say you want to do it on an individual assignment. Here's an assignment. Click the cog, and I go to settings for that assignment. And down at the bottom, there is a grading and feedback. I expand it, and here I can put in a penalty for questions done while in late pass. So right now you don't have a lot of options for that. It's not like you can apply more penalties if it's more late. It's just, did you do it late? Yes or no? What's the penalty for that? And if you're feeling magnanimous, you can also do a bonus for early work. That's cool. That's new at this time. So once you go ahead and put that in, say you want a 10% penalty, you would go ahead and click Save Changes. You If you have all of your assignments already set up, you're not going to want to go and do that one by one. That would be very tedious. So let me show you the other way to do that in bulk. There is an option here on the left side of MOM called Mass Change. Okay, so if you go to Mass Change for assessments, what you can do is you can go ahead and click all the things. For me, most of my stuff is homework, so it's easiest for me to just deselect things that are quizzes and tests. And I would go ahead and do that. Doesn't take very long. Everything's by module. Get rid of my quizzes and my tests, etc. Okay, yada, yada, yada. Go ahead to your change settings. Once everything that you want is selected, go to change settings, and you're going to do the same thing. Scroll down to where you have grading and feedback, expand it, and then do the penalty that you want, say 10, 20, I don't know, 50% for your penalty for using things in late pass, and then go ahead and apply changes. Once you apply changes, I would always encourage that you go back into an assignment just to verify that the change appears there. But that's the way to do it. If you're integrating this into Blackboard, it will automatically sync the grades. So if a student misses an assignment at the first original deadline, if you have it toggled, it'll automatically assign 0. But then when the student accesses the assignment late and the grade is updated, that will sync a few minutes, whatever, after in Blackboard. So there's nothing further that you need to do. One thing I do tell students though is, hey, if you're going to access a late pass and get to your homework assignment late, Blackboard's going to be like, it's late, it's past due, but you can still access it if you're using late pass. So just give them that warning so they don't panic, or let them panic, whatever, it's your life. Anyway, that's it. I hope that helps. If you have questions, anything mom related, ACM related, ASAP related, definitely email me, kelly.bennett@sjcd.edu. 2 E's in my first name, 2 N's, 2 T's in my last name. And good luck, everybody. Bye.